slide the boom back and everything. Slide the boom back, but make sure you don't. Alright. Go ahead, you want to boom up?
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out with Angelo and Trevor. Pretty wild situation. Got a trash truck semi-trailer that backed up just a little bit too far and ended up backing over the edge of the incinerator pit.
Go ahead.
For anybody that's ever been to a place like this or that doesn't understand it, there's a big green laser that shines on the ground to indicate for the driver not to go past this line. There's also big steel bumpers, but unfortunately in this situation it seems like the steel bumper was not present where this driver was backing up. Unfortunately for this driver, his 40,000 pound trailer went a little bit too far. Both axles completely went over the edge. Serious risk of the whole thing sliding in. So when Angelo arrived, we ran into something that happens a lot in the industry. Two companies dispatched the same call. The facility called one tow company and the trucking company called another. But instead of turning it into a problem, we believe in working together. So both crews teamed up right away, got the trailer out and the facility running again. So basically what's happening right here is both rotators are attached to the trailer. They're going to lift it straight up out of the pit. Angelo's going to hop in the cab and he's going to release the brakes. And that's going to allow the rotators to turn and push the trailer forward. Once the trailer was out, Angelo did a quick inspection. There was actually no damage to the trailer, which is surprising. So this place is actually called a Wheelabrator, also known as a waste-to-energy facility. You'll see these large grapples in the background grabbing trash and dumping them into a hole. That hole is actually an incinerator. Instead of trash going to the landfill, it's burned in a massive incinerator here. The heat from that process creates steams which spins turbines and generates electricity. In other words, the garbage that comes here, it actually gets turned into power for the electrical grid. It cuts down on landfill waste while producing clean energy at the same time. It's pretty cool. So this particular process is how the trash trailer is unloaded. The back door opens and a big blade pushes all the compressed trash out. Can you imagine the smell of this place? Here you can see some of those grapples dropping. Check out this trash juice dumping out of the back of this truck. So yeah, just like that, in and out in under 30 minutes. The place itself is actually pretty cool, seeing how it works as a renewable energy operation. But I'm sure these guys were just happy to get out of there once it was done. Another great recovery, wrapped up safe and smoothly. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and subscribe and hit that like button.